Switching the universe off. Is it possible? By simplest. The notion of switching the universe off might seem like an absurd or fantastical idea at first glance. After all, the universe encompasses everything we know: stars, galaxies, black holes, dark matter, and the fabric of spacetime itself. However, when we delve into the mysteries of physics and cosmology, this seemingly whimsical idea can be dissected and explored from both a scientific and philosophical perspective. Could there be a way to turn off the universe? Let us explore this from different angles: the physical constraints, the concept of a multiverse, and the nature of consciousness. In physical terms, the universe as we know it is governed by natural laws, specifically, the fundamental forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. To switch off the universe would imply somehow halting or nullifying these forces. Yet, all known physical processes depend on these forces to maintain the integrity of matter, energy, and space-time. Even in extreme cosmic events like the death of stars or the merging of black holes, the laws of physics remain constant. The cessation of all energy and matter in the universe would defy these laws, presenting an insurmountable barrier from our current understanding. However, some speculative scientific theories suggest ways in which the universe could fundamentally change or shut down. One such idea is the Big Freeze, a potential fate of the universe where, over trillions of years, galaxies will drift apart, stars will burn out, and the universe will reach a state of maximum entropy. In this scenario, the universe would enter a state of thermodynamic death, effectively switching off in a sense, though not instantaneously, and certainly not at the flick of a cosmic switch. Would it be easier to switch off if universe be one of many and controlled by bigger forces? Our universe might be just one of many that exists simultaneously in a vast multiverse, which would make switching off a single universe is not so far-fetched. It could be akin to switching off a computer simulation, where the fundamental nature of reality is dependent on some larger system or framework. Some theoretical physicists, such as those who support the simulation hypothesis, have suggested that the universe might be akin to a computational system, a massive simulation run by a higher intelligence or some advanced technology. In such a scenario, it is conceivable that this simulation could be turned off, much like a computer program. The simulation hypothesis certainly opens up fascinating discussions about the nature of reality and our place in the universe. This view remains speculative and highly debated, but it opens up philosophical discussions about the nature of existence and whether reality is something that can be manipulated, altered, or even terminated. From a philosophical standpoint, this touches on the idea of solipsism, which suggests that only one's mind is sure to exist. If all conscious beings were to cease to exist, the universe, as perceived through consciousness, might also be said to cease. In a solipsistic view, reality is inherently tied to conscious experience. Without an observer, the universe may be considered off because there is no one to perceive or measure it. This aligns with certain interpretations of quantum mechanics, where observation plays a key role in the behavior of particles. Some interpretations suggest that until a quantum system is observed, it exists in a state of superposition, both on and off, in a sense. If this concept were extended to the entire universe, one could argue that switching off all conscious observers could, in a strange way, switch off the universe, at least from a perceptual standpoint. While the literal act of switching off the universe may seem improbable within the current framework of known physics, it raises compelling questions about the nature of reality, the laws of the universe, and our understanding of existence. From the gradual decay of the universe through entropy to the speculative ideas of multiverses and simulations, the concept offers a fertile ground for thought experiments in both science and philosophy. Whether through the breakdown of cosmic processes or the end of conscious perception, the idea of switching off the universe challenges our understanding of permanence and existence, reminding us that the universe, while seemingly stable, is subject to forces and possibilities far beyond our everyday experience. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.